is Catherine, but you can also call me Kat. It's Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year represents the start of spring, so we also call it the Spring Festival. The Spring Festival happens once every year. Every year is represented by a different animal. There are 12 animals in total, and they belong in a special order. There's the rat, the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the goat, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the pig. So, what animal is this year? Oh, that's right, it's the ox. 2021 is the year of the ox. Chinese New Year is all about trying to welcome good luck and avoid bad luck. So there's a bunch of things we do to try and bring good luck in the new year, like wearing red and putting red decorations around your home, also cleaning your home, and giving lucky money in red envelopes. Today we will be making our own red envelopes. We're going to be using recycled paper because we love the earth and we want to protect it. There are a few vocabulary words we're going to think about today. The first one is, of course, ox. This is an ox. The ox is very, very strong and powerful. Ox is the singular form. We say, this is one ox. But what if we have more than one ox? Then we call them oxen. These are oxen. The next word is red envelope or red packet. You can give a red envelope with lucky money inside on any special occasion, but it's most well known for Chinese New Year. The next word is lucky money. Can you think of anything that you do that you think is lucky? In other cultures, there are other symbols for luck, but in the Chinese culture, they believe red is a lucky color and giving red packets is a lucky thing to do. The next word I want to share with you all is the word garbage or rubbish. Here's some garbage. Sometimes we throw things away when they still have value. We can use those things again. One example is our next word, recycled paper. This is paper that has been used on one side but is blank on the other side. So we can use the blank side to print things on or to write on or draw on or make envelopes out of. This is my collection of red packets. A collection is when you have several of the same thing or same type of thing. Can you see any other colors besides red? So we'll need a ruler, a glue stick, scissors, a pencil, and some recycled paper. The first thing we're going to do is measure the lines for our envelopes. For the big one, it's 15 centimeters by 8 centimeters. And it's simple, it's basically two rectangles and then these little flaps on the side. You can either follow a template or you can try and make it yourself. It's really not too hard. Then we cut it out and then fold all of the sides. I like to use the edge of the ruler to help fold the sides. I've decided to make this one into a collage, which means I'm going to glue different papers onto it. So I decided to color in the envelope with a crayon and a pencil. The next thing you do is you glue the inside flap, and then you glue the outside flap, and then you just fold the flap on top. Now I start arranging the papers how I want them to look. I have 9 hearts that I cut out of some paper because 9 is a lucky number. And then I start the small envelope. The dimensions for this one are 9 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So it's the same process. And then I decide to draw for this one. And then I color it in. This one's from my mother. The next step is to make little cards to put inside. So I write notes and I decorate the cards. You have to make sure the card will fit inside of it. And And now I'm using the ruler to make sure that it's not glued on the inside. So I can slide the note right in there. And that's it, I'm finished. And these are the finished cards. So the big one is for my best friend Oscar. I have a bunch of things that he likes on it. And the small one is for my mom. And I have a bunch of things related to her on it as well. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for all of your hard work today. I hope you've enjoyed making your own red envelopes. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to keep up to date with all of CSIS's activities and watch more videos from us, you can click the link to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!